In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give Squarespace access. Whether you're collaborating with a designer or need to allow a team member to manage content, sharing access to your Squarespace site is both straightforward and secure. Let's walk through each step together so you can confidently manage permissions for your site. First, you'll want to navigate to Squarespace. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Squarespace URL. Then log into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, click the Get Started button. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can see all the websites you're managing. Next, you'll need to select the website you wish to grant access to. This is crucial because settings are specific to each site, especially if you manage multiple sites on Squarespace. Take a moment to make sure you've clicked on the correct site to avoid any confusion later on. Once you've selected your website, it's time to access the Settings panel. From here, you'll want to select the option that says Permissions and Ownership. This area is where you manage the people who have access. It's designed to be intuitive, but if this is new to you, take a deep breath and let's continue together. Now you should see a button labeled Invite Contributor. Go ahead and click that. This option is the doorway to adding new people to your project, allowing them to contribute based on the permissions you assign. It's as easy as filling out a form. Speaking of forms, the next thing you'll do is provide the contributor's name and email address. Be sure to double-check the spelling to ensure they receive the invitation without any hiccups. This information is key to getting them into the system. The next part is choosing the appropriate permissions for the contributor. Squarespace offers various roles, such as administrator, content editor, store manager, and billing manager. Each of these roles has specific permissions, so think about what tasks the contributor will be performing. If they're mainly helping with content, content editor might be the way to go. For full access to the site, administrator could be a better fit. Make this choice thoughtfully to align with your team's needs. Finally, click Invite to send the invitation email to the contributor. This email will guide them on how to accept the invitation and create or log in to their Squarespace account. Once they accept, they'll be part of your team with the access level you've designated. And there you have it. The invited contributor will receive an email with all the necessary instructions. They can then follow those steps to get started. It's a simple yet empowering way to expand your site's managerial capabilities. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer and easier for you.